Hi everyone, I got a question that came in recently. A client lived part of the year in the US and part of the year in her retirement condo in Mexico, where she expects to settle permanently in a few years. She owns several residential real estate properties in the state and hopes to eventually sell them and purchase rental property in Mexico. Will my client be able to do a like-kind exchange for her U.S. rental properties for a residential rental in Mexico? Does it matter if the rental are somewhat different, such as a single-family house exchange for an apartment-style condo? The short answer to the client is no, she cannot do a tax-deferred like-kind exchange for her U.S. rental properties for rental property in Mexico. So under a special rule, 1031H, real properties located in and outside of the U.S. are not property of like kind. Taxpayer ordinarily have many options for exchanges of a 1250 real property. For instance, the client could apply for a like exchange treatment through the exchange of her single-family residential unit for apartment building, commercial properties, and even unimproved land, as long as the relinquished and the acquired property are all in the U.S. Also, TCJA, short for the Tax Cut and Job Act, does not modify the provision disallow a 1031 treatment for U.S. and foreign properties. If the client decides to exchange a U.S. and Mexican property, perhaps through a broker, she will have to recognize gain or loss on the transaction. Generally, gain or loss will be the difference between the fair market value of the U.S. property and her adjusted basis in it, as if she had sold the property outright. So this question was regarding to exchanging U.S. property with a foreign property. So she could not. But if she wants to exchange U.S. property for U.S. property, she can. Or she can exchange a foreign property to another foreign property. So if both of her properties are in Mexico, relinquished property and the replacement property, then that also qualifies for a 1031 exchange. So I hope it answered your question. Let's move on to the next video.